Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to edit product page in WooCommerce. So first of all guys, let's go to your dashboard and make sure that you have WooCommerce in your WordPress. So go to plugins if you don't have it, add new and search for WooCommerce from here. So WooCommerce, here we go. And then all you can do is actually go to WooCommerce, activate it, install it, and then activate it. So after that, all this menu will be created in here. So let's go to products, and here let's create a new product. Now after we finish with that, so this is the page that you have. So let's go here. Let's search for products to actually add. So for example, let's sell Pringles, for example. So I'm going here. I'm going to take this picture or image. I really want a normal image, so here we go. Save image as PNG, and then I will add here the product name, so Pringles. Here I will add the description or media. We can add media, so let's create, select files, download, and here I will add this Pringle, insert photo, and here we can add data, regular price, so we can add here one, enter in a values, then the regular price, so I will add here for example 12, and here 10. Here I will put that I have like uh, 20 in the inventory in the stock, and the shipping will cost you about it is about, I don't know how much grams, but okay, 150 grams, so it will be something like that. And here we go. Now all you need to do is actually click on publish. And just like that, we have created our product and we have edited our product page. So if you want to see it, view product, here it is. This is the image. You can actually add the image from here. Let's go back. And basically you can see here you can add new things. You can here add new product image. So here we go. And let's go now to update, and then let's check the page. So it's preview changes. So here is the image of our Pringles, and here you can add it to carts and view cart, and then you can just buy it from here to checkout. So just like that, you have actually created your account. You can do whatever you'd like to do. So yeah guys, that was it to today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.